What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we're going to work on the Ford again. Unfortunately she got some coolant leak. We are guessing she's leaking down by the water pump. So we got a brand new water pump inside the box. So we're going to take all these parts off, throw on a new water pump, and hopefully that will solve the issue. We also need to tackle the brake calipers as well. Unfortunately, this wheel has a stock caliper, so that's also something that we're going to fix. And we're going to put some brand new brakes disc on her as well. So it's time to get our hands dirty and start removing some parts. So what you want to do to make more room is get this hose off that goes to the intercooler. Okay, so we got now most of the hoses are off, and it's going to be a very dirty job because coolant is flowing everywhere since it's full of plastic underneath. You cannot catch the coolant in a bucket or so. But we finally got access to the water pump. What we're going to do now is remove the belt, the separating belt, then remove the pulley, check all the screws, unscrew it, and get the pump off. But first we're going to draw how the serpentine belt goes so we don't forget it. So the owners were complaining about coolant loss, and as you can see that over here the water pump was leaking. But since we need to take all the hoses off and it takes such a long time, we just decided to throw on a new water pump as well. And what I would like to do is already get your new water pump so we can see where all the bolt holes are located. So we just noticed that we also need to take off this hose and take off this housing as well, which I believe is the thermostat. Okay guys, so there's this pipe which goes underneath the inlet manifold, and it really is a pain, but with some moving, wiggling, jiggling here and there, it will slide in. So make sure that you change out those O-rings as well. Okay guys, so we just got the caliper removed from the car. What you want to do is put a small block here or use the old brake pads and let someone inside the car push the brake pedals so all the piston cups will come out like this. Unfortunately, this one didn't came out at all, so we're going to try to get this one out with some pliers, then clean everything out inside the caliper, throw some new pistons in, put rubber protection back, and make her stop like a king again. You can see that there's a lot of rust inside the caliper and some small knickknacks, and this is something that we all need to clean out so the new pistons can move freely and we don't have a stock caliper anymore. Okay, so we cleaned out the complete caliper. It looks almost brand new again from the inside. So let's install those new parts. So we got the complete caliper back together. It's time to install it on the car. Then now it's time to bleed the brakes. Okay, so the Ford is ready to get back into action again. Hopefully the owners can drive for a long time now without any hassle. So this is the end of this video. Guys, if you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. And also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. As always, thanks for watching and hopefully see you guys in the next video.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.